Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Standing on the back of a Grand Mariner by Harris. I wanted to start here because this is our first boat in stock with the 400 V10. We're pretty excited about it, but let's check out the rest of the boat real quick. This boat is packaged with our single lounger dual helm configuration. So you've got a nice rear area to hang out on the boat. Conforms into a bed, two captain's chair. I want to show you this nice helm. Pointing out the two screens, you know, the new Mercury shifter, JL control right here on the side. And what the best thing to point out is how much leg room you got. I can't touch the back of that and I'm 6'3". Moving forward, we've got two nice long lounge couches here, and we've got these packaged in here. It's a nice ottoman with a cooler inside, making it easy to keep your drinks together. Thank you. Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri.